up? It's Joanne. Welcome to the 15th day of Vlogmas. And today, you guys, we're going to be making a star streamer. So I'd also shown you guys before how to make a star. So this time we're going to be making a star streamer. And before we get into this video, if you're new to this channel or haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to not miss a single video of Vlogmas and my future videos. I would appreciate it if you guys could go smash that like button and also share this video and drop me a comment. And now if you're ready, let's just hop into this video.